Listen. People fall in love with brands for the same reason they fall in love with each other. You respected them since day one, educated, showed you care, gave space. You brought them into your journey where you showed them how you can solve their problems and better their lives. Boom. Grow your business and your brand the same way you convince somebody to marry you. If you're nice, helpful, and respectful, they may marry you. Oh yeah. And they will buy your products. This principle is exactly the same in business as in life. Introduce yourself and make them curious. Be nice and helpful. Why you? Why not others? Pop the question, will you marry me? In business, showcase your product is the best option for them and ask for a sale. Marketing is like dating. Number 1, introduce yourself and make them curious. Number 2, be nice and helpful. Why you? Why not others? Number 3, pop the question, will you marry me? In business, showcase your product is the best options for them and ask for a sale. A few deadly mistakes that will kill your sales. You ask for a sale way too early. The same like in life. You never ask, will you marry me on the first date? Also, do not use scarcity in stage number 1 or 2. Let's say for the first time when you say, only 2 seats left, hurry up, or doors are closing soon, tomorrow or 12 p.m. People are like, what? What is it? At this stage, people simply don't care. This is the first time they see your message. If you try to sell to somebody you see for the first time, it sounds like, hey babe, will you go to my house tonight? Or, will you marry me on the very first date? If you want to increase your conversion rates and build your dream business, do not make these mistakes. Follow all the steps you have just learned and you will be converting at a higher rate.